What's the meaning of boyishly? Boyishly. Boyishly.
Boyishly. Boyishly. Boyishly is an adverb that describes behavior or appearance that resembles that of a boy, regardless of the gender of the person. It typically suggests a playful, energetic, and carefree attitude, often associated with youthfulness and innocence. Being boyish may involve behaviors such as roughhousing, playing sports, or being adventurous, as well as appearance traits such as short hair, a flat chest, or dressing in a more casual and practical way. However, it's important to note that being boyish does not necessarily mean being masculine or rejecting femininity. It's simply a way of expressing oneself that doesn't conform to traditional gender stereotypes.